We will create the phoenix using Model Magic Clay. You will need 2 packages. You will roll one out using the roller, and you're going to be cutting a letter C shape. After putting the beak on, you are going to be creating large feathers. You will need 11 feathers. Again, 11 feathers. Choose the biggest 4 feathers that you have, and that's going to become the tail. You will use 3 feathers on each side of the wing. Using a pencil, create an eye. Using a pencil or clay tools, you're going to create a pattern on the feathers. They're going to look like leaves. The last feather will be for the head, and this is where you're going to roll out more details. Now you're going to create small feathers with whatever you have left of your modeling clay. We'll be using watercolor to paint our phoenix. Make sure to write your name on the paper.